Hello, friend. Today's topic is how to fix Wi-Fi disconnected automatically in Windows 10. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share to for regular update of my channel tips how to do. Friends, there are various reason of Wi-Fi disconnected automatically in Windows 10, and most of the user complaint of Wi-Fi connection get disconnected on the following event: when you connect any other device, when you keep your system in sleep mode while using VPN, a Wi-Fi device randomly not detected. And the first workaround of this problem is change power saving option. Friends, go to the start and type run. Open run command. Now type devmgmt.msc in run command box. Press OK button. You may press enter shortcut key. Now device manager window will appear on your screen. Here go to the network adapter section. Make a click on it to expand network adapter. Here choose your network adapter driver and make a right click on it. A drop down menu will appear on your screen. Here choose the option properties. Now in properties windows, choose the option power management and uncheck the button against allow the computer to turn on. Ways 3: resolve the issue through network troubleshooter. Go to the start, type settings and choose the option Windows setting from the top menu, top result. Now choose the section update and security. Now in settings window, navigate the option troubleshooter. Then go to the right side of Windows setting page and make a click on additional troubleshooters option. Now additional troubleshooters windows will open and here go to the network adapter section. Make a click on it to expand it and choose the option run the troubleshooter. Now window will automatically try to detect the issues and fix them accordingly if any issue persists on your Windows 10 system. Fourth workaround is uninstall network card device to resolve Wi-Fi disconnected automatically in Windows 10, Windows 8. Go to the Windows start, make a right click on it and choose the option device manager from the context menu. Device manager window will open now and here go to the section network adapter. Make a right click on it and choose the option uninstall. Then again restart your system, it will install automatically. Workaround number 5, tweak the power option. Go to the Windows search, type CP and choose control panel from the top result. Now control panel window will open. Here go to the option power option. Now power option will change advanced setting and now go to the change advanced power setting option. A new window will open now. Here go to the wireless adapter setting option. Now click on power setting mode and on battery and plug-in mode will be enable or it should be maximum performance. Battery on plugged in option should be on. Next workaround is disable roaming sensitivity to resolve Wi-Fi disconnected automatically in Windows 10 as well as Windows 8. Go to the Windows search, type CP. You may right click on choose control panel and go to the section network and sharing center. Now choose the option change adapter settings. Here you will find all your network connection available here. Make a right click on your connection and choose the option properties. Choose the option properties. When properties windows opens, click on the option configure. In a new window, click on advanced, or in a new window navigate the option roaming aggressiveness or roaming sensitivity. Now go to the right side of page and choose the option disable from the drop down menu. Next option is change channel of your router. Friends, channel of your router, one router exists on the same channel, your Wi-Fi connection may be disconnected automatically. So you must change your channel on router. Follow these steps. Go to the router's configuration page, navigate to Wi-Fi section, change the channel number. For more details, you may see user's manual of router provided by manufacturer's company. Next workaround is work with Google DNS. Go to the Windows search, type CP and choose the option control panel from the top result. Control panel window will open. Here choose the option network and sharing center. Now from the left pane click on change adapter settings. Now your available network will display here. Make a right click on it, choose the option properties. Here choose the option internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 option and thereafter choose the option properties. When the properties window opens, select use the following DNS server addresses. Thereafter set preferred DNS server to 8888 and alternate DNS server to 8844 and thereafter click on OK button. These are the various workaround you can resolve it. People also search Wi-Fi disconnects frequently Windows 10. Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on laptop. Laptop keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. Internet keeps disconnecting Windows 10. My internet keeps disconnecting every few minutes. And Wi-Fi router keeps disconnecting. This is the various type of queries people search for.